Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We are Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we are doing wedding guest makeup looks. So we're going to do a full face as if we are guests at a wedding, because I am going to be a guest at a wedding. And we kind of want to do inspo around, well, the outfit I'm wearing. And your
and my
outfit.
Imaginary outfit.
Yeah.
Because we know you guys, everybody's going to a lot of weddings lately.
Yeah.
All the weddings are happening post-COVID. There's so many people having weddings.
Yeah, it's true. So yeah, I wanted to experiment with the idea of doing a sort of neutral look, but adding, a little bit of spice to it. I want to try and match the tone of the dress a little bit. I'm going to try a little bit of a multi-chrome with it and see how it works. I think when people think of weddings, they always think neutral makeup right away.
Well, especially if you're a bride. But if you're a guest, you can be a little bit bonkers. My idea is based on this dress.
Yeah.
It's a Poochie print caftan thing. And if I were to be going to a wedding,
Yeah.
or be a mother of a bride, I would probably try and find something like that on Etsy or RealReal, not a knockoff, but a used Poochie caftan. That would be my dream. And because I'm in my caftan years, I'm Andorra from Bewitched. And I would do, I'm going to do a makeup inspo eye based on this, which is from Instagram. And yeah, we'll go from there.
I think I'm going to start with Hydro Grip and the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base, because I think weddings and I think summer and I think hot and you want your makeup to stay.
So you put your base on and then you do your Charlotte Flawless filter.
Yeah, lately I haven't been using Charlotte Flawless filter that much because it's summer and it's icky. But I did bring it today to put a little on the cheekbones, not all over.
Okay. I haven't worn a primer for months, so I'm out of the game. But I want to use my Auric Glow Lust, which I still maintain is beautiful. And when you do wear it, you don't understand how beautiful you look.
I did wear it yesterday. I tried it out again.
And you don't like it as much as your Charlotte.
Maybe it's a summer tone. So this is another thing. I've noticed a lot of my foundations are looking kind of pale and pink now that I have a little bit of a tan in the summer. So I did pick up a new foundation that I'm using for the first time in front of you guys, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury, the Beautiful Skin Foundation. It might be too warm for me. We're gonna see. I'm thinking it'll match my neck, but not my face right away. Here's
Good
hoping.
idea.
Here's hoping, guys. If it looks terrible, we can always make it work.
So, I took your advice when we were discussing making this video that you want to do a base that doesn't melt, that it you don't want to do it too sheer, too natural, right?
Oh yeah. Well, I've been using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation.
Yeah, you love that.
Which I was thinking of wearing today, but again, I wanted to try a more summery tone.
I like my Pro Filter Fenty. This is what I often use on camera because it's matte and I think it's bullish coverage. I just do a pump. I don't know what it looks like in the summer. I've been using the drugstore makeup lately I've been toying with.
Oh yeah, we kind of said we might provide an update if any of you saw that last video.
Yeah, we used the drugstore makeup and some of it's quite good.
I actually found I was trying to use the foundation. It was the the True Match L'Oreal. I like the tone and stuff, but it does seem to cling to dry patches that aren't there. I like it, but I don't love it. Okay, I'm a little nervous. If it's too dark, I can return it, and I can fix it up with the concealer, so.
I've never returned anything.
I know. I return at Sephora.
I'm not that person.
I used to not be that person.
I would make anything work.
Why?
Oh, it looks nice.
Oh.
I can see it.
I feel like my skin does have some yellowness in it, but it gets confused by the redness that's existing. From, all the post-acne scars and whatnot.
This is my winter foundation, so it's quite pale. You put your foundation on in time, it'll kind of melt in, right?
Yeah.
And then you can always, I'm going to use my bronzer. My bronzer that I'm going to use is the Rimmel that we used in our drugstore, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to use, though, the MAC Glow Play.
A fluff on your forehead.
This is the
I love
groovy.
those
The
blushes.
me too.
Ooh, groovy makes sense for your groovy look.
Yeah, because my dream is to just be the crazy guest at the wedding that people talk about, months later. Remember our wedding with that crazy aunt or whoever?
You know what? I feel like this is looking nice for my tone. What do you think?
Yeah. Groovy.
Why have I been so red?
Because it's summer.
You think?
Sure.
It's actually shocking. It's like I've been struggling to even put foundation on my head because you can see like the red ending. I don't know what's going on.
Well, isn't it summer?
I guess. Okay, I'm being slow. This is wedding guest makeup, so I'm taking my time.
I'm going to take my time with my eyebrows. My eye look is going to be very difficult.
Okay.
But I'm going to put my eye primer on now so it sits a bit.
I want to apply a bit of a second layer just to see how this foundation layers up. So far, it's like a medium coverage, and it's like not dewy and not matte. I feel a little glowy.
Tell us what you learned about the Makeup by Mario.
Oh, you know that thing I hate that she has, the Skin Perfector, which is really a bronzer? It's only like something like 5 grams of product, and like everybody was hitting pan really quickly. And remember, like maybe you saw, she hit pan.
I hit pan
in like a week or two, and it's shocking. And she's like, "Yeah, I just used it so much." I was like, "She never hits pan." So the fact that you hit pan in 2 weeks goes to show how little product is in that thing, and I bet it's expensive. And it's like the tiniest bit of product for a Skin Perfector.
Makeup by Mario, you disappoint me.
Okay, this application has taken me a while. I don't know why I'm taking so long, but okay. And now we'll see how a brightening concealer looks on top of this warmer foundation. Oh, I think it's okay.
Okay, I say my brows are done. I'm gonna put on the bronzer and then head over to the eyes.
I'm so slow today. That's okay.
So you're excited to get married?
I don't know. I definitely would never have a wedding.
Why?
I'm too embarrassed.
Oh, it is embarrassing.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
idea of like walking down aisle,
Yeah, I would die.
embarrassed.
I walked downstairs
Oh,
to Foxy Lady by Jimi Hendrix.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fun.
But Grand Flash lunged, your
Yeah.
dad's mother lunged for the stereo to turn it off. 'Cause
Why?
she thought it was a mistake.
Oh.
So I got the bronzer, the highlighter, Ofra with Nikki Tutorials. I like a highlighting moment. What do you think?
I'm going in with the NARS Dolce Vita blush, which to me is my sort of go-to blush if I'm like, want something kind of neutral. It goes with most things. Then Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I love this bronzer. It's my favorite.
It is?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
It's not too warm.
It's funny how I didn't know some things.
I've definitely said this before. And this is my favorite highlighter, too.
Oh. I don't have favorites. They're all my children.
That's good.
When I do my eyes, I'm going to go in with Lunar Beauty Life's A Drag Facelift because I think it's going to have the things I want to create that wingy eye. And then I think I'm going to do blue. The picture on that I'm going for inspo with has kind of a pink because there's blue. If I did buy that Pucci dress thing, there's a blue streak in it. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm not looking forward to this. I wonder if I'll start maybe with the Tom Ford Abyssinian. Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Clay Play palette for just starting to warm up the crease with a lighter shade and just the crease, I think. Like here. That's what it's called, right?
What?
The crease? Crease.
Crease is because you've been playing too much Wordle. You question each word now.
Crease. Is that a 5-letter word?
Like I had such a hard time with that word cinch
Oh.
because I thought it was spelled with an S-Y-N.
Oh, no.
That's why I didn't put it down. I had every word, pinch, finch,
Oh, no.
winch is a word. All kinds of crazy words, and I didn't get it. And it sent me back to, March 17th.
What's
Yeah,
March
it was
17th?
The last time I didn't get a
Oh.
Wordle.
How do you know that?
Because I remember the day.
That awful, fateful day.
Yeah, well, I didn't get it. No, I'm like crazy about Wordle.
Okay, so this is where I'm going in with the tone that's going to match my dress from the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, the shade Symbol, which we used this palette once. It looks so dark in the pan, but then you put it on and it's not dark at all. I'm going in with a chunkier pencil brush.
I'm putting all over my lid one of the shades in this Sickening, it's called.
Oh, I remember that one. I'm just kind of like starting to bring the color higher here.
Okay, I'm going to make these wings pointier, but I'm going to go in with color now. I'm scared. I'm going to use, since I want to do blue, Fishy. Although there's a cute blue called Kiki.
Aw, Kiki.
I'm Kiki. But
Oh,
Fishy.
Tony heard Kiki.
Cody loves Kiki.
My dog calls her Kiki.
Yes, he does.
Because that's Grandma's name. Her grandma name. My dog calls you Kiki.
Yes, because he forms it with his lips.
So I'm just diffusing this now. I'm going to go in with, from the Tarte palette, just like a slightly darker shade to help like transition from the brown to the teal right here.
Get this picture of this beautiful makeup job that I can't do.
Okay, leaving it there for now, but I'll probably go back in with those shades because I just want to see how this multi-chrome is going to look. And it's from the Norns palette from Odin's Eye. It's the shade Pink Chameleon right up here. It doesn't look pink at all, but I think it does shift pink. Oh yeah. Looks green in the pan, goes pink. Ooh,
Oh, neat.
almost looks like tie-dye. So I've practiced this look already with, on the lid, the Auric Gold Shimmer, and I really liked it. So this is just me trying to switch it up, maybe try some different tones. Looks like an opal. Look at this shimmer, I love it. It's one of my favorites.
Ooh.
And then maybe I'll try just putting a little bit of the Auric Sparkle on top too. My favorite place to add sparkle these days is like right here, almost like so the sparkle goes like through your eye. That's like a Katie Jane Hughes thing.
Yes, it is a Katie Jane.
Just like here and then do 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 do.
Okay, I'm going to use my concealer to make this wing sharp. Always a good tip.
Okay, I think I'm done.
I'm not done because I'm going to put a shimmer.
I finished for you.
I don't think mine looks good. I always say that till the mascara comes on. I'm going to go in with Danessa Myricks, the Lightwork Volume 3, this palette. There's a bluey one. I'm going to use Blue Moon with my fingies. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Have any of you guys been to weddings recently? If so, what was your makeup look? Sometimes I'm thinking like, oh, maybe I should do more like the lips, do a bold lip and a neutral eye. Then I go, no, eyes, not lips.
I'm an eyes girl because lips are going to be drinking and eating and talking.
That was my thought too. So my mascara routine for quite a while now has been like a volumizing mascara, like this Lancome one on the top lash, chunk it on, and then I go in with the Thrive Cosmetics to help separate, and then I put that on my lower lash. Because it doesn't smudge, this Thrive, so perfect for the lower lashes at a wedding.
Okay, I'm going through to my mascara.
I'm going to put on some little wispies on the edges. Why don't we finish that off and come back?
Okay.
Let's finish off with some lips.
I want to talk about something first.
Oh, what?
The corner of my eye has like a little tiny blob on one side. Like little lashes.
Yeah, I know.
What do I do? Like, do I pluck them?
Ow!
What do I do? Does anyone else have this
Because
problem?
it almost looks like eye goo.
It looks like eye goo. It's little, tiny, baby blonde lashes.
That is
That
odd.
prevents me from doing a total
Oh.
eye look.
I think I see like the littlest bits right here.
What do I do?
But I don't know. Just
I don't want to touch. Anyway, pretend they're not there. Squint. Nobody get too close. So we're going to do lips. So I'm doing a neutral. I'm doing a Vive.
isn't it Vive in Vive? I think the shade Vive. I'm doing a brownie tone MAC dairy.
Yeah, and of course with endless cacao.
Yes. Okay. Thoughts?
Thoughts?
I'm on the fence about using the multi-chrome in my look for the wedding. I think it's really pretty, though. It kind of looks like, I don't know why, but it's reminding me of a peacock. I don't know if you can see it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yours looks like a tropical bird.
Yeah.
I think like tropical vibes.
I like mine. I thought I
That
wouldn't.
blue shimmer looks nice.
Yes.
Wait, did you use 2 different blue shimmers?
No.
Because they look multi-chromy. It's the Danessa,
Well, it's the
eh?
Danessa Meyer.
Because I'm seeing like a purpley blue and then like a greeny blue
Yeah.
in that. I didn't realize that was multi-chromy.
Yes.
What do you think? Should I do the multi-chrome in the look for the wedding?
Yes.
Yes?
Because you're going to be outside, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
should. People don't understand multi-chrome still. We're over it, but other people don't know about them.
They'll be shocked.
Mm-hmm.
They'll be like, what is happening on your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, people, I guess, don't see multi-chromes on a regular basis.
Yeah, no, they don't.
I like this foundation color. I was happy with it. But I think I applied it too thick, maybe. I'm seeing some problems, potentially. But again, these lights, too much.
I'm very happy with my look.
Yeah. I think that's about it for today.
Yes.
Kind of sleepy today. It's just taking it easy. Let us know in the comments down below what you did as a wedding guest, or if you were a bride or groom or whatever, what did you do for your makeup? I like to know.
I
about
did my
wedding
makeup.
Did your own makeup?
Well,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But what did
But
you
I
do?
was inspired by the 1950s.
Oh, didn't you have a darker lip on?
I had a red lip. It was a Shiseido lip color. It was actually a metallic dark pink. It was
Oh.
metal.
Whoa.
It was very, very cool.
Yeah, all right. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye,
Bye,
witches.
witches.